Alright, it's the beginning of day 4 and we're heading out. Any luck? What are you catching?
I'm catching the red breast and catfish.
All right. Good luck.
You're fishing for the wrong thing, bro. You're just fishing for the wrong thing. Be a pretty halfway decent place to tie yourself off and camp for the night if you wanted to camp on your kayak.
Going. Couldn't get out of there fast enough. He looked. Why? Why? The river has changed so much since yesterday. Did you just crack it?
How are we gonna tie it off?
This isn't a flat rock like I was thinking. At this point, let's just go find whatever we land on.
Yeah. Nice to see you over here, though. What?
I just thought it would be a cool picnic area.
Oh, we're moving over here, Several flat rocks coming up. I don't know how we're tying off, though.
I think we just keep our feet in the kayaks. That's why I was thinking like one close to the water. That's why I said not up high. So we can sit on the rock, put our feet in our kayaks, eat lunch.
Walk out right there, then. In the sun.
About to hit you, about to hit you. Can't stop, oh no! Oh,
Why did you?
I wasn't, I was trying to stop and then I was gonna pass you and I was trying to turn.
Forget how to paddle backwards? That happened. Well, we missed that one. So, wait for that. The next one. Remember you can paddle backwards next time.
My bad.
Good love. Not like that. I'm just glad we didn't like break the kayak.
I hope anyways.
No, I think it'll take a pretty good lick. There's one right there, but I don't know how big that bush overhang is.
Yeah. Alright, now that we're not hauling ass, because I was like hauling ass at that last one, I couldn't stop.
Actually, there's beach right there too.
That's what I was thinking, but how do you get from the beach to that limb over there, or to that ridge?
Oh, that hole in there.
There's rocks right there.
What'd you say?
You just nicked a rock. That's what I was saying.
Alright. Whoa! Okay.
Let me know if it's a good spot.
Huh?
I said, let me know if it's a good spot. How are you gonna get up there? Oh, it looks like you could hike it a little.
Oh, you got pants on today. These won't be so bad. Watch out, don't do any more. Can't do that. Put whatever in his coat. It won't go nowhere.
Should be good right there, yeah?
I mean, we need to get stuff out of it to
Out of mine? What?
cooler. Check out and see if this is a good spot in the first place, huh? What does it look like? But then again, we did say we're just going to make it and move, so... Oh, hell no. Get off these shoes. Come back to you, fuck that. No orange and bushes, there's nowhere up there.
How about I'll find a spot? We have paddled about 18 miles today, and we finally landed at the Dowling Park River Camp where we're gonna stay for the night. So we're gonna walk up, take a tour, see what it has, and probably get set up. So this is home for the night. It's pretty much just like the other river camps that we've visited along the way. Has power, nice fan, nice green platform. So we're just gonna get camp set up and enjoy the night. So we've had our longest day yet, 18 miles, which is really freaking far when you're paddling a kayak. And we're literally sitting here watching the water boil, like trying to encourage it to boil faster so we can eat our food. We are so hungry.
I'm glad you pushed it this slow.
Time for us will be good.
Having a lot of fun with you. This is a testament to our community right here. That we can hang out alone in the middle of the river for 7 days without killing each other.
Put your phone. She got a good crackle going. I think there's a way to ensure that a fire crackles good.
The wood you use.